Hello and welcome back to our channel, Your Tech Doc. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Samsung just unveiled its latest lineup of foldable flagship smartphones at the Unpacked event in Seoul. So, let's dive right in and see what they've got in store for us.
Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.
At the event, Samsung showcased some fantastic devices, including the thinner and more pocket-friendly Galaxy Z Fold 5. Thanks to the innovative flex hinge design, the Fold 5 is now at least 2 mm thinner when folded, making it much more comfortable to carry around. This improvement addresses a concern that some users had about foldable phones, and it looks like Samsung has listened and made the design even better. And that's not all. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 also got some exciting upgrades. It now features a larger 3.4-inch front screen with a flex window, giving you access to more content and apps without fully opening the phone. Plus, with a lower price tag, Samsung is hoping to make the Z Flip 5 even more popular and get more people on board with the foldable technology. Now, moving on to tablets. Samsung is targeting the enterprise space with its Galaxy Tab S9 series, which comes with a fantastic IP68 rating, making the devices water resistant. So, whether you're working in construction or just enjoying the great outdoors, you won't have to worry about spills or splashes. But wait, there's more. Samsung has also taken the Galaxy Watch 6 series to the next level. These smartwatches come with better sleep and health tracking features, and they even offer customized coaching. Now, staying healthy and active is more accessible and more enjoyable. Now, let's take a look at the Indian pricing details for these amazing Samsung products. The Galaxy Watch 6 series starts at just 29,999 rupees and goes up to 43,999 rupees. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra has a starting price of 88,999 rupees, while the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and Tab S9 range from 58,999 rupees to 96,999 rupees. And for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, prices begin at 141,999 rupees. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 starts at a reasonable 79,999 rupees. There you have it, folks. Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries with these new foldable devices and enhanced features. They're leveraging their experience and expertise to bring us top-notch technology that's both practical and enjoyable to use. So, what do you think of Samsung's latest offerings? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next one.